Is a mountain view really worth the upkeep, the distance, and the constant maintenance of an aging estate? More and more sellers in El Paso are answering this question with a clear no. They're trading in rugged hillside homes and scenic overlook for modern communities in the Far East, where convenience, technology, and lifestyle are setting a whole new standard. If you've noticed more movement in the local market lately, this is one of the largest reasons why. I'm Joanne Garcia with Your El Paso Homes, and today I'm breaking down why El Paso sellers are leaving mountain views behind and choosing Far East amenities instead. For years, owning a home in the Upper Valley or even up on the mountain, it carried a certain prestige. Larger lots, privacy, incredible views, they made these properties highly desirable. And to be fair, they still appeal to many homebuyers. But in 2026, luxury means have totally changed. Today's move up sellers and high end buyers are prioritizing how a home functions on a day to day. They want speed, efficiency, smart features, security, access to everything that they use every day. A beautiful view matters, but it's no longer enough to outweigh the inconvenience. Besides, that's what a lot of people say is their weekend road trip. The first big shift is maintenance fatigue. Many mountain or older homes, they require a lot more custom repairs, higher ongoing costs. This might include landscaping, roof wear and tear from exposure to the winds, irrigation issues, older windows. Sellers are realizing that they've been spending time and money maintaining square footage that they no longer use. When they compare that to a newer Far East, West Side, Santa Teresa home with updated systems, lower maintenance, that are energy efficient, and it just makes their decision so much easier to purchase. The second reason is infrastructure. In some of these newer communities, they attract attention because many newer developments, they were designed for modern life from start. We're talking higher internet. We're talking the landscaping. It already has the sprinkler system installed. We're talking about their ACs. They're closer to schools, they're closer to the stores, the fitness centers, healthcare. So buyers work remotely, especially they notice the difference that they can do everything from home. They have faster internet. They can get a home that has more office space. And they know that, yeah, everything is so close by to them. And then there's lifestyle. This is where Far East has become incredibly competitive. Developers are building what I call lifestyle ecosystems. Instead of isolated luxury, they're creating communities with trails, parks, clean streetscapes, walkable shopping zones, some really nice agriculture. In the past, buyers often associated exclusivity with separation. Now, many associates exclusivity with convenience and time savings. Being able to grab coffee, hit the gym, walk the dog, and still be home in minutes to have real value on one's life. Security is another factor that sellers will bring in often. Many buyers want, a place where they feel comfortable. They travel more, they have work hybrid schedules, or simply don't want to worry about the large vacant property next to them. The newer homes often have gated sections or gated communities, or they just feel like they are safer. Now, does this mean Mountain View homes are losing the value? Not at all. Unique homes with views, quality updates, and the right pricing still attract strong buyers. But sellers need to understand that buyer pool has changed. If your home relies on the scenery and ignores some of the maintenance or outdated interiors or poor functionality, buyers will compare it against sleek new options across town, and many will choose convenience. So, if you own an older home here in El Paso, this is a moment to be strategic. You may need smarter preparation, targeted marketing, and pricing based on today's competition, not yesterday's prestige.